Imagine a city where traffic lights adjust in real time to prevent congestion, where hospitals track patients' health remotely, and where your fridge can order groceries before you even realize you're running out. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is the Internet of Things, or IoT, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with technology. But what exactly is IoT? At its core, the Internet of Things refers to the vast network of physical objects, cars, machines, appliances, even clothing, that are embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity. These devices collect and share data with each other and with us. Think of IoT as giving digital senses to everyday objects, so they can observe, communicate, and make smarter decisions. IoT is already everywhere around us. At home, smart thermostats learn your habits and adjust temperatures automatically. In healthcare, wearable devices track heart rates, oxygen levels, and even detect irregularities before they become emergencies. On the road, connected cars communicate with each other to reduce accidents and optimize traffic. In agriculture, farmers use soil sensors and drones to monitor crops, ensuring efficient water and fertilizer use. In cities, streetlights brighten only when pedestrians are nearby, saving energy while keeping people safe. IoT is not the future. It's happening right now. Benefits of IoT infographic: convenience, efficiency, safety, sustainability, innovation. So what are the real benefits of this technology? Convenience. Imagine never worrying about forgetting to lock your doors, because your home locks itself. Efficiency and cost savings. Businesses use predictive maintenance, where machines alert engineers before breaking down, saving both time and money. Safety. IoT reduces workplace hazards by monitoring dangerous environments in real time. Healthcare and well-being. Remote monitoring reduces hospital visits while giving patients more freedom. Sustainability. Smart energy grids, water management, and transportation systems reduce waste and environmental impact. When used wisely, IoT has the power to make our lives healthier, safer, and more sustainable. But to fully unlock IoT's potential, we need to be strategic. Here's how. Security first. Every connected device can be an entry point for hackers. Strong encryption, software updates, and user awareness are critical. Respect privacy. Data should always be transparent and controlled by users. Trust is the foundation of widespread adoption. Interoperability. Devices must be able to speak the same language. Standardization ensures that your smart fridge works just as well with your energy provider as it does with your shopping app. Scalability and sustainability. As billions of devices come online, energy use and data storage must be managed responsibly. If we focus on these areas, IoT won't just be useful, it will be truly transformative. Of course, like all technology, IoT has its pros and cons. Pros: increased efficiency and cost savings. Better quality of life through convenience and automation. Smarter, safer cities and industries. Advances in healthcare and sustainability. Cons: security vulnerabilities if devices are not protected. Privacy concerns with constant data collection. High costs of deployment and maintenance. The complexity of managing massive amounts of data. The challenge isn't whether IoT is good or bad. It's how we manage it responsibly. So where do we go from here? The future of IoT will merge with artificial intelligence, enabling devices not just to collect data, but to understand it and make decisions. Imagine hospitals powered by AI, IoT systems that detect pandemics early, or farms where machines adapt instantly to changing climates. And as 5G and 6G networks expand, billions of devices will be able to communicate faster, making real-time decision-making possible on a global scale. From smart homes to smart planets, the possibilities are limitless. The Internet of Things is more than just technology. It's a vision of a world where everything works together seamlessly to improve our lives. But with great power comes great responsibility. If we prioritize security, privacy, and sustainability, IoT won't just connect devices. It will connect people, communities, and the planet in smarter, safer, and more meaningful ways. The Internet of Things isn't just about connecting objects, it's about connecting us to a better future.